I want to invite you to sign up for our Wealth Wednesday educational emails. This is not a lame newsletter with a recipe and a comic. Instead, we are going to provide actionable tips and strategies to help you grow your wealth and teach you how to have a better and happier financial retirement. This weekly financial education will focus on how to grow your money, what strategies actually work, and how to have more money while minimizing risk, taxes, and fees. We want our clients to prosper and enjoy life. These tips will help you do just that. We'll review how best to protect yourself and your assets. Lastly, we'll look at how to take your nest egg, whether it be your 401k, your business, or the money under your mattress, and show you how to turn your nest egg into a lifetime income that you cannot outlive. This is true peace of mind. The education comes from myself and my financial planning team. My team has helped thousands of clients plan for retirement and put themselves in a better financial position. You also have the option to sign up for our stock market updates. You can learn how our head of wealth management consistently outperforms the market and how he is adjusting our client portfolios for the volatile market ahead. We'll also include some bonuses and fun along the way. Sign up today. There is no cost. Your email is safe and secure and will never be sold or used for anything else. Your future self and your family will be thankful you learned about these strategies. Of course, you can unsubscribe at any time. Sign up here, and we look forward to seeing you on the inside.